Hello subscriber, how to wire a switched half hot outlet means how to install the half a hot outlet. In this video we are discussing about what is a half hot outlet and how to twist the wire on a connector, and special focus on electrical wiring and how to inbox it, how to cut in their connections in a half outlet. Before I am starting my topic, please keep subscribe me and support to the technical engineering, and also subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon. One important thing about the video is to watch this video till the end to understand clearly about how to install the outlet. So we are starting our topic. What is a hot outlet? The most of outlet in our home are of the duplex variety that you can plug in a two device into them. At one time, a half outlet or switched outlet is a duplex outlet that has a one of a half permanently on and ready to provide electricity, while the other half can be tuned off and on via ordinary wall switches. While the entry of a duplex outlet could be tuned on via wall switches, only one of the two plugs installed is usually switched that leaves to the other half permanently powered for other uses. This kind of outlet is quite common in a modern construction. If you plug a lamp into the switched side, you can tune the light off and on via the wall switches. Half hot outlets are most frequently found in the living rooms, but you can be put into any location. How to wire a switch half outlet that gets the power from outbox. This is preferred method of wiring half hot outlet switches outlet because if the power is coming from a switch, it is the most likely a lighting circuit that is intended to the operate the light, not to the outlet. Yes, you will be probably have a lamp plug into, but other half of outlet could be run anything it best if this outlet is on a circuit in a tent for outlets. For a power in the outlet box. In order for an outlet box to work, it must be already contain a one or more cable made up of a black, white, green, buried ground wires, all cables together. In order to add a switch, you will be added a Romex 3-wire cable to the box. Cut a short 6-inch pieces of a cable and remove the outer sheath. This gives you 4 different color wires to spools in with matching wires in a box. These 6-inch pieces will attach to outlet strips out the last of a half inch of a color plastic coated on each end of each wire. Point 3 is the next you will be spools all the ground green buried wire together with an additional green bar 6-inch pieces. spelling with when you twisted all buried wires together to get these in a contact. You will be pull them into the neat bundle with strips and all together twisted them into one of the put a plastic twist on wire nut over a bullet and had a hold to wire nut into the hand and tug the firmly to each individual wire. Make sure it does not come in a loose pull are fairly hard in the test the connection between that is comes apart now then later. Point 4 is to do the same with all black wire and the additional 6-inch pieces of a black wire you cut into the step 2. Spells all the wires together again within a 6-inch additional white wire pieces. Point 6 is the loose end of a 6-inch ground wire will terminate on the green ground screw of a outlet. The black 6-inch wire will be terminate on one of the brass color screw, the red one of together brass screw, and the white one of a silver colored screw. It is the most common to put the red wire to the bottom screw, and since you will make the top plug into the heart at the all times, you will be little easier to plug each into it. 7 point is the terminate affix connects. Wire bend a hook in a wire loops around the screw clockwise direction and tighten the screw firmly. Wire ends to come out in the under a screw wire tighten you will be looped a wrong direction. Alternately, many home grade outlets have a small holes in the rear of outlet where the wire can be simply pushed into the instead of wrapping around the screws. 8 point is at the switch put the wire nut on a white wire camping it out the trucks into the back of both. It will be not be used to spells all around the wires in a box together. If the multiple switches of other wires are in the box, again you will additional a 6-inch green buried wire pieces of a to the switches terminate the ground wire to the green and grounding screw with the switch. Terminate the black wire from a new 3 wires cable on one of the screw on the side of a switch and the red of other. It does the matter within the one goes where. How to wire a switch outlet that gets its power from a switching box. First locate the cable that is bringing power into the cable. You will see the list 2 wire cables and added the Romex 3 cable that will be connected to the outlet. If these multiple switches location switches more than within the switch box and 3 will be other cables and power, you can will almost certainly have a multiple short wire spells to the wire to each switches. Cut a short 6-inch pieces cable, remove the outer feed. This gives you 4 different colored wire spools in a with the matching wires in the box. Stripping a last of a 1 inch into the colored plastic coating of each and end of each 6-inch pieces are a pugliate. Spells all wires together with an extra 6-inch pieces and the ground wire will be added. 8 point at the outlet box either existing black or a white wire will be used for the outlet but may be powering out of the circuit if this is not to be new outlets. The ground wire goes to the green ground screw on the outlet, the white wire goes to the silver screw to the black wire, one of the brass screw, and the red wire to the other brass screw. All of these wires except for the ground wire, if there are all other cable in the box, come only from the new three-way cables. Thanks for thanks for watching my video. Please keep subscribe me and support to the technical engineering. In this video, I have discussed 2 points of how to wires a switch. Means the switch have 2 points to connect. First is the incoming, which will be connected after the completion connected. First, you will be connected the wires on a switch. Then you will be connected to the incoming source of a light or a source of an electricity. In this video, I have discussed about the 9 points of a 9 points of an incoming side, and I also discussed the 9 points of a outgoing side. Thanks for watching my video. Please keep subscribe me and support to the technical engineering. Thank you. If you required any topic or any point to need to discuss with me, comment below. I will be provide as soon as possible. Thanks for watching my video. Please keep subscribe me and support the technical engineering.